Yo! What is up? Welcome back! My name is Rahnni Fitteds. I love fitted hats. I collect fitted hats. And this is a fitted hat channel! Might overdid on that one, but you already know. It's a very, very special video for y'all today. Yes, it's one of those. It's a Windy City video, I should have said. Because today I'm going to show you my collaboration fitted hats that I did with the store Burdeens, Chicago. Yo, you guys already know I love the Chicago Cubs, and every time I showed a Chicago Cubs fitted hat, I was hinting at special ones that were on the way. So that's what this video is all about. I have two fitted hats that I designed, and I can't wait to show y'all. So let's get into it. But before we do, you already know, please comment below your favorite fitted hat that you see today. I'm going to show you two. So comment below which one is your favorite. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I do fitted hat pickups, fitted hat reviews, special unboxings, and more on the way. But yes, please subscribe and like the video if you haven't done so already. We all love fitted hats. That's what we're here for. So we have two Burdeens Rahnni Fitteds collab hats to show ya. Let's go! Two fitted hats. I'm just gonna show you the fitted hats, break down the color for y'all, and then I'll go ahead and go back to the hats and tell you the story, the concept. Yeah, right here. Here they are, my babies. So first one up. In 3, 2, 1. Boom! The Chicago Cubs! I love saying that. And also in the comments, just go and have fun with it, Type out Chicago Cubs! If you guys ever have a chance, feel free to say that just like that. It's a fun time. Alright, don't mind me. I'm just hype. But here we go. We have a two-tone. We got a Vegas gold crown. We got the burnt wood brim, burnt wood on the top. We got the angry cub. That's what it's dubbed as, right? But I'll tell you what I saw it as. But we have the red circle, and then we have the angry cub that's inside. We have the brown stitching, Vegas gold stitching. Very, very clean. Love that. Going on to the side patch, we have the Wrigley Field side patch. Yes, sir. This one, clean. All right. Next, we have the flat Batterman. We have not metallic gold like I always praise about, but we went with the shimmering gold with the brown and the red. Flat Batty. Did I say that? Yes, I did. Black guts. Oh man, you don't have to worry about it getting dirty with the sweatband because black will hide the sweat stains. But keep them clean, y'all. Keep them clean. We have the pink undervisor. I don't know if the light is washing it out. There we go. Pink undervisor, made in Bangladesh. All right, first one down. Let's go on to the second one. I wonder what team this is. I'm about to show you. It is another. In 3, 2, 1. Boom! The Chicago Cubs! Let's go, baby. This one is so beautiful. I'm so proud of this. All right, let's break it down. We got the burnt wood crown. We got the Vegas gold brim. We got the red on the top. Side patch. Oh my goodness, y'all. You already know the 1990 All-Star Game side patch is one of my favorites. Definitely my favorite. No, because I do love the Atlanta All-Star Game side patch, the 2000. So those are my top two. But, oh man, look at this. Okay, now got ahead of myself, but let's go back to the Cubs, right? So we got the red circle, we got the yellow inner circle, circle, and then we got the brown baby cub right there. We got the Vegas gold stitching inside of the cub as well. Man. Okay, now let's go back to the side patch. The 1990 All-Star Game side patch. Look at that. Vegas gold. You got some gold. You got some red. You got some brown. It's glorious. Such a good looking side patch. On the back, we have the flat Batterman. Vegas gold stitching once again with the brown and the red. Another hat with black guts, red undervisor, and this is also made in Bangladesh. All right, let me go ahead and I want to put on the hat. Right now I'm wearing the Burdeens Chicago maroon corduroy green undervisor, classic. They have some on the site still, so go check them out. But it's a little big on me. I don't have my stankies in right now. But oh man, look at it. Look at it. Okay. This is going to be the first hat I want to talk about with the story, all right? So, how the collab came to be. Big fan of Burdeens. Big fan of the work they do and how they engage and interact with the fitted community. So, it started off with, supporting and buying their hats. Then it turned into, just appreciation for what they do. That led into conversations about let's do something cool and fun for this fitted community. And this is where we were able to collab, and I was able to design 2 fitted hats. Shout out to Jerry from Burdeens Chicago for really making it happen. Truly appreciate you, bro. It's been such a pleasure working with you and your store. So yeah, he gave me full creative control and freedom with, designing fitted hats. So I want to present you guys the first one, and I'm dubbing it as the Rahnni Star. Hope you do that little cool text thing, the Rahnni Star. Anyways, guys, what you see here is an inspo behind one of my favorite and one of the most rarest sneakers of all time, the Babesta, the college dropout Babesta. You already know StockX got it for like 10,000 right now. I don't know who's gonna buy it, but I grew up wanting that shoe so bad. I won't be able to ever get that, I think, but I have the fitted hat. I did my best to hook the colors to the fitted hat, from the shoe to the fitted hat. So that's where you will see Kobe pull up the picture. We got the brown, the cream Vegas gold tone, right? And the college dropout bear, I tried to do that here with the Chicago Cubs. So I mean, I love it. I'm proud of it. It's a very dope fitted hat. I'm gonna wear it for a very long time, man. So this is the story behind this fitted hat. Let me know what y'all think. You heard about that one. Now it's time for the story on this one. So this one is dubbed as the Rahnita. All right, the Rahnita. Kobe, Rahnita. This hat was mocked up second to the Rahnni. Now, it's kind of like a flip on the colors, right? Because we got on that one, it has the burnt wood crown and Vegas gold brim, but this one has the Vegas gold brim. Sorry, the Vegas gold crown and the burnt wood brim. What it was, while designing the second one, I wasn't sure on it. I wasn't loving it. It had a different color UV. I didn't really connect with it as I did with the first design, the Rahnni. So just thinking about it more, right? But I also had more conversations with Jerry, the owner of Burdeens Chicago, and we talked a lot about fatherhood. Well, guys, I don't know if I told you here on YouTube, but I'm going to be soon a father, and I'm very, very excited. Can't wait for this next chapter in my life. I'm gonna be my baby girl is gonna be born soon, next month. So me and my fiance are having a beautiful baby girl here soon, and I wanted to dedicate something to her. So that's where you see this cub, and then at first it doesn't make sense, but now you know the story. That's why there is a pink undervisor to it. I've gotten a chance to design 2 collections now, right? The one with Caps Boise, and then this one here with all the hats that I designed. There's a story behind them. There's a connection that I have to the hat of my personal life story, and that helps me, get attached to the fitted hat more too. Makes it more special. So, of course, guys, real quick before I finish this story on this hat, her name is not Ranita, but I thought it was kind of a funny, play on my name and then my baby girl. So there's not her name's not Ranita, but it could be. Let me know if you think it should be in the comments. But we do have another name picked out for her. However, this one is so special to me. Both of them are, but this one definitely is very special. I'll make sure to keep one dead stock for her, and hopefully she can fit that fitted hat. So, all right, y'all. There it is. The 2 fitted hats from Burdeens, Chicago, and myself. We are dropping these Saturday in store, October 29th. Only one store right now in Burdeens, Chicago. Please go check them out on social media, Instagram mainly, for details on the in-store release. And October 29th as well, so Saturday, there will be an online release of these. However, it's more limited online than it is in store. Online release doesn't have a time. It is going to be TBD. However, stay alert. Stay alert. With that being said, y'all, these hats I can't stop staring at. I truly love. I don't know if I love this collection more or the Caps Boise ones that I did. I love them all, but definitely that Rahnni, man. The Chicago Cubs. Thank you guys for sticking with me this long. I hope you liked the video. Once again, please comment, like, and subscribe. More dope fitted content on the way. My name is Rahnni Fitteds. These 2 are my Burdeens collab hats. Go check them out. Y'all have a great rest of your day. Don't be afraid to create. All right, y'all. Peace.